Arch Linux versus Windows FPS. Which operating system delivers better gaming performance? This video compares Arch Linux and Windows, highlighting their impact on frame rates and overall gameplay experience without compromising stability or compatibility. Arch Linux and Windows represent two distinct approaches to gaming. Arch Linux offers a lightweight, customizable environment, while Windows provides broad hardware support and optimized gaming drivers. The core difference lies in system control versus out-of-the-box compatibility for gaming. Arch Linux is a minimalistic, rolling-release Linux distribution focused on simplicity and customization. Gamers using Arch Linux benefit from its lightweight nature, which reduces background resource usage, potentially improving FPS. It works by allowing users to build their system from the ground up, installing only needed components, including gaming-specific drivers and software like Proton for running Windows games. Strengths include fine-tuned performance, low system overhead, and access to open-source tools. However, it requires technical knowledge to configure and maintain, and some games and anti-cheat systems may have limited compatibility. Ideal users are experienced gamers and Linux enthusiasts who want maximum control over their system and are comfortable troubleshooting. Windows is the dominant operating system for gaming, known for its extensive hardware and software compatibility. It works by providing native support for DirectX, the industry standard for gaming graphics and performance optimization. Windows supports a wide range of GPUs, peripherals, and game titles without additional configuration. Its strengths include seamless driver updates, broad anti-cheat compatibility, and optimized gaming APIs that deliver consistent FPS. Limitations include higher system resource usage and potential background processes that can affect performance. Windows is ideal for gamers seeking plug-and-play convenience, access to the largest game library, and the best support for new titles and gaming hardware. Comparing Arch Linux and Windows for FPS gaming reveals a trade-off between customization and compatibility. Arch Linux can deliver higher FPS on lower-end hardware by minimizing system overhead and allowing tailored setups. However, it demands technical expertise and may face issues with certain games and anti-cheat software. Windows, on the other hand, offers broad compatibility and optimized drivers, ensuring stable FPS across most games with minimal setup. For competitive gamers relying on the latest titles and anti-cheat systems, Windows provides a more reliable experience. Meanwhile, Linux gamers who prioritize system control and open-source solutions might achieve better performance, but with more effort. Choosing between them depends on your comfort with system management and the games you want to play. Choose Arch Linux if you value system customization and are comfortable managing your setup for potentially higher FPS on optimized hardware. Windows is the best choice for gamers seeking wide compatibility, ease of use, and stable FPS across the latest games. Its optimized drivers and support make it ideal for most players who want hassle-free performance and access to the full gaming library.